So finally at the Singela Pass, 16,590 feet. I need water. I need water. No, I think I have to get down. Singela Pass screenshot. Okay, let me just get the hell out of here. निकलो यहाँ से. Wow! Wow! This is beautiful. Okay, let's just get the hell out of here as soon as possible. Try find some food and water. Super reckless of me not carrying water. I forgot there were bottles there. I had a bottle, I forgot to keep it with me. Wow! This is beauty, but a little scary. Wow. Okay, so it's complete descent from here. So first gear and do it very, very slowly. So Singela done. But this is wide enough, so not a problem. Whoa. जैन सर थोड़ा पानी मिलेगा. पानी. हाँ. So at this point I was super thirsty and desperate for water. As soon as I saw these two Jawans, I stopped and I asked for water, and they were like extremely kind enough to give water to me. They gave me like a 2-liter can of water, and I gulped entire can in one shot. It was cold. The water was also cold, and I don't know how I gulped it. I was so thirsty. And then after I gulped the water, after I settled down, they asked me very nicely that why are you here alone? So they told me that it was super dangerous and it's not at all recommended for a solo traveler to travel there, and that too with a heavy bike like mine. it's extremely dangerous. So yeah, they gave me a little lecture. That was totally fine. And then even my energy was completely down. I didn't even have batteries on my GoPro. And yeah, it was a good experience. So yeah, get back to the video. Just reached Putoksar here, and Leh is another 170 kilometers from here, which is going to take at least 5 hours. Big miscalculation from my side. So yeah, the road was very, like, how can I tell you, like, I expected it to be like this, but yeah, it was tiring. It was like very, very tiring. Reached a small dhaba kind of a thing. They have only rajma chawal. I'm gonna eat that, drink one tea, and leave from here as soon as possible. The time is already 12 o'clock. So yeah, see you back on the road. Thank you. So this is my rajma chawal and meetha chai. That's my bike. Can't say that I'm not scared. I'm a little scared, but on the bright side, he told me that after 40 kilometers, it's plain tarmac, and that's what I'm waiting for. Both ho gayi off-roading. Like, it's too much off-roading for a beginner. Not a beginner, but yeah, I'm scared. So yeah, I'll leave after eating this tasty looking food. So I just had my lunch, good half an hour's break, and yeah, let's go, let's do it. Okay. हो गया. So the climb towards Sirsirla starts from here. Whoa. I parked it in the wrong place. ठीक है, निकल गई. उई चलो. Yes, again lost momentum. There's a chadhai to the Sirsirla Pass. So okay, I forgot to tell you guys one thing. My sleeping bag has fallen off somewhere. Yeah, that sucks. It was a nice sleeping bag. It's fallen off somewhere. Chalo. Now that I have eaten, have enough water with me, not enough, but yeah, like 500 ml of water with me. Let's stop at Sirsila. I couldn't stop at Singela because like I was totally dehydrated. Now I'm feeling a bit good about this. You know, at some point I got so scared. Yeah. So this is the climb towards Sirsila. Yes. But there are a lot of rocks on this road. Mud and rock. First gear, let it be in first gear. Yeah, second gear. So yeah, got done with Sirsila Pass. According to the army person I met, he told after Sirsila is just descent and descent. Yeah, hopefully that's the case. Let's go, come on. Let's hit Leh today at any cost. I still haven't turned on music. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, the views are just next level. I don't have much time, so I'm not flying my drone, which is very sad. But I cannot risk any more time because I have to reach Leh. Let's go. This is my third pass. Shinkula, Shingela and Sirsirla. Many more passes to come. Then Khardungla will be one. Zojila though I did not go, so that cannot happen this time. Wow, look at the view, guys. Look at the view. I don't know how many screenshots am I gonna take with this GoPro footage. So 35 more kilometers and we will have tarmac till Leh. The time is 12:57. So the guy over there told me it's gonna take 5 hours from here to Leh. So let's see if I reach by 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. because I think I'm gonna take one more break. Just flew my drone here after like so much procrastination. I was riding, I just didn't want to stop, so I reached here and I was like, yeah, after this point I may not get a chance to fly or like get this view, so I was like, fuck it, I'll just fly the drone now. And one small problem, it's not a problem, the inside the fiber nut that you have to tighten the panniers has come off. I don't know where that is. Like it should have fallen inside the pannier itself, but there was my jacket. So when I pulled out the jacket from the panniers, I think it must have fallen somewhere here. So I'm just looking for that. And one good thing is it's a little hot here. So yeah, I'll see you back on the road. Yeah, say hello to the new battery. Let's go. Oh, you're not gonna hear any music. If you're able to listen to the music. Kya? The speedo is gone. Can you see something else? The speedo. It's gone. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, Zanskar Valley. There are a lot of things that you fucked up. But thank you for the memories. Switch on. Tarmac? Tarmac? Really? I mean, really? The tarmac? सर यहाँ से पक्का रोड है, यहाँ से पक्का रोड है. थैंक यू. हाँ ले पदुम. Thank you. It's Pakka Road from here. I can ride like for eternity now if it's Pakka Road. Can you see that board? It says welcome to Leh. Yes. Padum to Leh in 11 hours. Yes, people had told it'll take around 10 to 12 hours. I did it in 11 hours. Yes, the roads were, as you saw, of course, in the vlog. My god. Feels so good to reach Leh. And the highway, my god, last 100 kilometers was fantastic. My lips are still dry though. I'll just go find a hotel near the Royal Enfield Service Center because lot of issues. Yeah, feels so good to be back in Leh. A dream, like 4-5 year dream come true. My god. But having done Zanskar, I think I've taken all the fun out of Khardungla now. Yeah, so I'll go find a hotel and then get back to you. Leh is full. No rooms, no hostels, nothing is available. Finally managed to get this lovely room. I paid a little more, like $1,600. But yeah, kya kar sakte hain. That too I got it only for 2 nights. And for third night I have a dorm. So yeah, that's about it. I didn't expect Leh to be this full. Okay, see you. I'll probably go out now. So yeah, that was it. I reached Leh, and probably that's the end of the exciting stuff that has happened, because after this it's all cliche stuff like Khardungla, Pangong So, and that's it. Like if you really like the last 3 videos that I made, please do drop a thumbs up, because yeah, that's a way of showing your appreciation. And that's it. I'm hoping that you're liking this series, because this is just the 11th day. So I'm still probably gonna make like 10 or 12 videos more. Yeah, that's it. Do drop a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, let's wind up this video and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.